Hello everyone. Today I would like to give you a lesson which is we have found while working with rasters in ArcGIS. So here we can see this is a rainfall TIFF of a particular district of Bangladesh, which is kind of lower, and here we can see the admin boundary of the district Feni of Bangladesh. But let me see a tool which is extracted by mask. So if we go to the extract by mask and make our raster mask, and after this if we get this masking, so here we can see after the mask the certain portion of the boundary areas are not filled with the raster, and the rasters are quite pixelated and with the bigger pixel. If we make a map with this, that will not be a good map which can create some bad look while doing with some journal works also. So today I would like to see how can we resolve these gaps and resolve these quartz pixel from here. So for this we would like to have a code which is called double pass, where we'll perform interpolation and extrapolation and make the raster smoother to get the values where the gaps are here, and we'll see how we can perform, and let's see how the code will do for a smaller extent. So here we go. So for solving that issue, I have generated a code with my requirements from AI. So where I am going to upload my raster, and then I would like to resample my raster to more smoother. Here I am using 30-meter resampling in WGS 1984, as my previous raster was in WGS 1984, and then after that resampling I will perform here boundary, and which is my shape file, and after that I will do interpolation, which is here I am using nearest neighbor interpolation. So let's run it. Let's see how we can generate this. So it will take some time after run, so then it will tell us to upload our TIFF file. So here I am uploading my previous TIFF file, which is rainfall 23 millimeter, and after that I will give my shapefile boundary, which is Feni shapefile boundary. Here I will have to upload those 7 shapefiles. So here it is. So I am uploading those 7 files from here on. Now it will perform our interpolation. So first of all, it is resampling our raster to 30-meter and make it smoother. So here you can see it is performing linear interpolation, and then it will run the other method, which is called nearest neighbor method, to fill up the gaps, and then it will save the file into a TIFF format. So let's wait for a bit to make it happen. So here is our nearest neighbor for remaining gaps is running, and after this our main raster file will be generated. Here you can see it is downloading into a TIFF format. After that we'll see how it worked to smooth and fill up our gaps. You can put your shapefile or other things with your requirement by any ChatGPT, Perplexity, or so on. Here is our result. So now if we perform our straight by mask tool from here on, we can see the difference of our previous map. And so here we can see it is our new generated TIFF. If we make our map, it will look more smooth and wonderful rather than these previous maps. So rather than these previous maps where you can see our study area was not filled with the pixel we wanted. Here are some gaps. So if we make maps from this, it will look bad and it will look worse than this. So see, here is the difference. That's how you can perform with your study area. So that's for today. I hope you guys find it wonderful to know this. I was struggling a bit, so then I found how to remove this source of problem. So hope it will work. I will upload my code into a repository where you can find the code and then generate your code for your own study area and perform this with your requirements. Here it is, smoother TIFF with 30 to 30 meter pixel for Fanny division for a rainfall map.